Good morning. We're going to look today at graphing from standard form using the intercept. So if I have the standard form equation of 3x plus 2y equals 6, the first thing I want to look for is the y-intercept, and this happens when x equals 0. So I am going to rewrite my equation to be 3 times 0 plus 2y. I've substituted for the x equals 6. Now this is 0, so I'm going to simplify this to 2y equals 6, dividing both sides by 2, and y equals 3. So I now have the coordinate pair of 0, 3. Next, I want to know what my x-intercept would be, and that occurs when y equals 0. So I am going to now substitute. So 3 times x plus 2 times 0 equals 6. This term is 0, so I'm left with 3x equals 6. When I simplify, I will divide both sides by 3, and x equals 2. And I have now got the coordinate pair of 2, 0. So when I graph these, I'm going to go ahead and give myself a y-axis, vertical axis, a horizontal x-axis, label my axes x and y, and I'm going to put on the point 0, 3. I walk 0 and I jump 3, and the point 2, 0, I walk 2 and I jump 0, and I'm going to label this. This point is 0, 3. This point is 2, 0, and I will connect now those points. Use a different colored pen so we can see that line very clearly. And that line is the line that is in the form of 3x plus 2y equals 6. Now this point right here would be the b if we were recording, if we had slope-intercept form. Our b would be equal to 3. So we do see that here. Let's do another quick example. I've got 3x plus 5y equals 15. So let's look for a y-intercept. And that again occurs when x equals 0. So 3 times 0 plus 5y equals 15. Some of you are going to be tempted to leave this out. Go for it. So I'm going to simplify to 5y equals 15. You could just start here, dividing both sides by 5. So y equals 3. And I'm left with the coordinate pair of 0, 3. Now let's look for our x-intercept. And this happens when y equals 0. Okay, when y equals 0, we're not going up and down at all. We're staying on our x-axis. So I would have 3 times x plus 5 times 0 equals 15. Simplify that to be 3x equals 15. Dividing both sides by 3 to keep it equal, x would equal 5. And I've got the coordinate pair of 5, 0. Now coming down here to graph, I'm going to give myself an y-axis and an x-axis and label them both. And I'm going to walk 0 and jump 3 for a point 0, 3. This is the b value in slope-intercept form. I'm going to walk 5 and jump 0, so this is the point 5, 0. And I am going to connect those 2 points. And I've now graphed the line, which is in standard form 3x plus 5y equals 15. Thank you and have a lovely day.